Today we will start with the new exercise, chapter Fraction and Decimal, exercise 2.1, question number 1. In question number 1, we have to solve. The first part is 2 minus 3 by 5. Here we are having two fractions. One is 2 by 1. You can write it as 2 upon 1 minus 3 upon 5. Now to simplify these two fractions, we have to first take the LCM of the denominator so that we can make the denominators same. Here the denominator is 1 and here the denominator is 5. Now the LCM of 1 and 5 will be 5 only. So in next step, we are going to take the LCM 5. Now since 2 was not having the 5 in the denominator, so we will multiply 2 by 5 and we will get 2 5s are 10. Then minus sign in between both the numbers, and since 3 by 5 is already having 5 in the denominator, so we do not need to multiply 3 by any number, or we can say we multiply 3 by 1. So we get 3. Now this will be equals to 10 minus 3, that is 7 by 5. So the answer to the first part is 7 by 5. Now the second part. In second part, we have to simplify 4 plus 7 by 8. Now again here we can assume that we are having 1 in the denominator. So the LCM of 8 and 1 will be 8 only. So we are having 8 in the denominator. Now since 4 is not having 8 in the denominator, so to make 1 as 8, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 8. So if we multiply 4 by 8, we will get 32. And when we multiply 7 by 1, since 7 is already having 8 in the denominator, so we need to multiply it by only 1. Then plus 7, it will give you 39 upon 8, and we can convert it into mixed fraction, and it will be equals to 4 7 by 8. You know how to convert the improper fraction into a mixed fraction. We will simply divide 39 by 8. It will go 4 times and the remainder will be 7. So remainder we write in the numerator. This is the whole number part and this is the denominator or the divisor by which we have divided the 39. Now the third part. In third part we have to simplify 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. Now here we are having 5 and 7 different denominators. No problem. We will take out the LCM of 5 and 7. Now if we take out the LCM of 5 and 7, it will be 35 only, since both the numbers are prime numbers. So first it will go by 5, then it will go by 7. So the LCM will be 7 into 5, that is equals to 35. Now here the LCM will be 35. Now since 3 is having 5 in the denominator, so to make it 35, we have to multiply it by 7. So 3 will be getting multiplied by 7. Then we have plus sign in between, so we will put the plus sign. Then after that, we are having 7 in the denominator of 2. So to make it 35, we have to multiply it by 5. So it will be 2 into 5. Now if we will simplify it, we will get 3 7s are 21 minus 2 5s are 10 upon 35, which will be 21 plus 10 upon 35, which will be equals to 31 upon 35. Now it is a proper fraction. We don't need to convert it into mixed fraction. Now the fourth part is 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. Now again here we are having the numbers 11 and 15 which are co-prime, that is nothing is common between them. So the LCM will be the product of both the two numbers, that is 11 into 15. So the LCM will be 11 into 15. Now to make 11 to make this fraction or the denominator as a multiple of 11 into 15, then we have to multiply 9 by 15, since it is not having 15 in the denominator. So we have to multiply 9 by 15. Then we have minus sign, so we have to multiply 4 by 11 since it is not having 11 in the denominator. So it will be equals to 135 minus 44 upon 165, which will be equals to 91 upon 165. Now in this question we haven't taken out the LCM by the process, since I know that 11 and 15 do not have anything common in them. So simply the LCM of both the numbers will be the product of the two numbers. Now the next part, that is the fifth part, is 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Now here we are having 10, 5 and 2. Now we can easily calculate the LCM. If I take the LCM of 10 and 5, I will get 10 only. And if I take LCM of 10 and 2, then it will be 10 again. If you want, you can take out the LCM. Otherwise, you can calculate it orally. 10, 5 and 2. So first we will take it by 2. 2 5s are, then 5 and then 1. Then again by 5, so we will have 1, 1 and 1. So the LCM is 2 into 5, that is equals to 10. Now here we have calculated the LCM, that is 10. Now 7 is already having 10 in the denominator, so no need to multiply it by any number. Then we are having plus sign. Now 5 is to be multiplied by 2 so that it becomes 10. So we have to multiply the 2 also by the number 2. 2 into 2 will give you 4. Now plus, now here we are having 2. To make it 10, we have to multiply it by 5. So 3 will also be getting multiplied by 5. So we'll get 15. Now it will be equals to 7 plus 4 will give you 11. And 11 plus 15 will give you 26 upon 10. Now we can simplify it further. We can cancel it by 2. 13s are and 2 5s are. So it will give you 13 upon 5, which will be equals to, if you convert it into mixed fraction, it will give you 2 3 by 5. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 give you 13 by 5. So this is the final answer of fifth part. Now the sixth part. In sixth part we have 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. We have to simplify it. Now what we are going to do, first we will convert this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. That means 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 will give you 8 by 3. Then we have plus sign in between. Then 3 2s are 6 plus 1 will give you 7 by 2. Now the LCM of 3 and 2 will be 6. So it will give you 6 in the denominator. To make 3 as 6, we have to multiply 8 by 2 will give you 16. Then plus, then 3 we will multiply by 7. So it will give you 21. So the final answer will be 37 upon 6. Now it is very simple to convert it into mixed fraction. It will give you 6 6 are 36 plus 1. That means 6 1 by 6 is the answer. Now the seventh part. In seventh part we have 8 1 by 2 minus 3 5 by 8. Now we have to simplify it. So we will get 8 2 is 16 plus 1 17 by 2. Then we have minus sign in between. 3 8 is 24 plus 5 29 by 8. Now the LCM of 2 and 8 will be 8 only. So we will write 8 in the denominator. To make 2 as 8, we have to multiply it by 4. So 17 will also get multiplied by 4. So we will get 68. And since 29 is already having 8 in the denominator, we don't need to multiply it by any number. So 29 will be written as it is. Now we will get 68 minus 29. We will give you 39 upon 8, which will be equals to 4 7 by 8. So it is very simple to solve, or it is very simple the addition and subtraction of fraction. If we are having same denominator, we can simply calculate it by adding or subtracting whatever is given in the question. But whenever we are having the different denominator, then we have to make the denominator same first by taking out the LCM. Then we have to simplify them. Now the question number 2 is, in question number 2 we have to arrange the following in descending order. In the first part we have 2 by 9, then 2 by 3, then 8 upon 21. Now descending order means from the biggest fraction to the smallest fraction we have to write. But these numbers are having different denominator. So to compare them, first we have to make them in the numbers with the same denominator. So we will first take out the LCM of 9, 3 and 21. So it will be, first it will go by 3, 3 3s are 9, then 3 1s are, then 3 7s are, then it will go by 3, 1 1 and 7, then it will go by 7, 1 1 and 1. So 7 3s are 21, 21 3s are is 63. So LCM will be 63. Now one by one we will make each fraction denominator equals to 63. So 2 by 9 will be equals to 2 by 9, we have to multiply 9 by 7 to get 63. So numerator will also be get multiplied by 7. So it will be 14 upon 63. This is our first fraction. Then second is 2 by 3. So it will be 2 upon 3. Then 3 is to be multiplied by 21. So 2 will also get multiplied by 21. So we will get 42 upon 63. Now the last fraction is 8 upon 21, which will be 21 is to be multiplied by 3. So 8 will also be get multiplied by 3. So 8 3s are 24 upon 63. Now we have to see which is the biggest number here. So biggest is 42 by 63. Then we have 24 by 63. Then we have 14 by 63. So the arrangement of the number will be 42 by 63 means 2 by 3. Then 24 by 63 means 8 upon 21. And then 14 upon 63 will give you 2 upon 9. So this is the order of descending order. Okay. Now next, second part. In the second part also we have to arrange the given fractions in descending order. First is 1 by 5, then 3 by 7, then 7 by 10. Now the LCM of 5, 7 and 10. First we will calculate the LCM of 5, 7 and 10. So if we go by 5, 1, 7 and 2. Then it will go by 7, 1, 1 and then 2. Then it will go by 2, 1, 1 and 1. So the LCM will be 7 to the 14, 14 5s are 70. So we will have the LCM as 70. So we have to make each fraction's denominator equals to 70. 1 by 5 will be equals to 5 into 14 and 1 into 14. It will give you 14 by 70. Now the next number is 3 upon 7. So to make 7 as 70 we have to multiply it by 10. So 3 will also get multiplied by 10. It will give you 30 upon 70. Next number is 7 by 10. So it will give you 10 into 7 and again 7 into 7. So it will give you 49 upon 70. Now the biggest number is 49 upon 70. Then 30 upon 70. Then 14 upon 70. So our final answer will be 49 upon 70 means 7 upon 10. Then we have 3 upon 7. Then we have 1 upon 5. So this is the order of descending order.